except for, oh, that there is a piece of bearing, and I'm positive that that rod bolt that is right there doesn't go there. That's a piston for sure.
How do the lifters look? Besides covered in blue smoil.
Blue goo. Yeah, no, they look pretty good actually. I was surprised. I was figuring the front there where the rod bolt was sticking out was probably going to be trash, but it doesn't look like it actually got into the lifter. So the front two lifters are completely fine. Yeah, we'll probably reuse these guys. Driver's side cylinder head. Holy cow, there ain't nothing wrong there. Wow.